gonna say many things. Actually, I'm not going anywhere. You caught me. You caught me. That was dramatic for no reason. I'm just out here trying to film this video. I really don't know how to get the intro done in a way that's attracting, if you guys understand what I mean. But let's go straight to business. I will be showing you guys what I take with me in my bag anytime I go to school. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Alright, so the goal here is to be minimal and stay hybrid. What I mean is I could use all these items in my office and still be able to carry them along everywhere I go. So carrying all the tech items I take to school is the Harman Pro backpack from NeoSmart. Now the design of this bag is one thing, and then the quality is on another league of its own. It looks very minimal and compact whilst being able to carry almost everything I need for the day. Made with materials which includes lycra fabric paired with nylon. It's a waterproof backpack that can protect all my electronics if I ever get stuck in the rain, and the feel of the material used is what I love the most about this backpack. It has this very smooth texture that I low-key can't explain with words, and I have only gotten good compliments from people who have asked where the backpack is from. The back and arm has the perfect cushion that's breathable and makes it feel lighter to carry around. And if I ever consider traveling with this, there is a spot to hook with my luggage at the back. The overall finish looks really great, especially with the attention to detail with the nylon lining around the body. But what's more important is how much it can hold and what's actually in the bag. Alongside a 20-liter capacity with a generous amount of compartment that this has, I always carry my M3 Pro MacBook along with me whenever I'm leaving for school. It's one of the best investments I have made this year, coming with 18GB of unified memory and 512GB of SSD. Now some people might say that 512GB of SSD is too small, especially for someone who makes videos. But I pair it with the Samsung T7 hard drive to store all my footage and high file, which only cost a fraction of the SSD upgrade from Apple. The M3 Pro MacBook is what powers my office setup whilst being able to carry it along with me anywhere, and it's actually the device I spend most of my time on. I know you guys might not believe me, but trust me, I spend a lot of time on my MacBook. From handling all my school tasks to working on my personal projects and even consuming media, it has proven to handle all my day-to-day tasks at ease. The weight at 3.5 pounds doesn't seem to bother me considering the amount of power this holds. Mine comes in the matte black colorway, and I honestly can't think of a better design of a 14-inch laptop. Having 3 Thunderbolt ports along with an HDMI port makes it easy for me to connect all my accessories. It has a liquid retina XDR display with promotion technology for adaptive refresh rate at 120Hz, and the color accuracy can only be defined as perfect. I will be making a full long-term review of this soon, but all I can say for now is I don't regret spending my life saving on this device. Okay, I would usually add an iPad to videos like this, but I just haven't been using my iPad a lot recently for note-taking and things I usually use it for. I do intend to get an iPad mini soon to maybe replace the notebook that I've been carrying for the most part. This notebook stays in the main compartment of my backpack along with any handouts given to me by my professors. It's what I've been using to break down my ideas whenever I'm feeling overwhelmed with projects that I'm excited about. I bought 2 of it back in 2021 and I've been a fan of writing on this ever since, because I kind of like that the color of the paper isn't actually white and the thickness makes writing on paper feel good again. Now that's all I would usually have in my main compartment, but depending on what's going on for the day, there's still room for me to add more stuff in here. The backpack has an easy release clip that lets me have an easy access to the front compartment without having to always zip it up. I can even extend the main compartment to add bigger items like my travel tripod or my water bottle on certain days. Now as for the front compartment that's easily accessible, this is where I put all my other tech accessories. Since all my devices now support USB-C, I only have to carry this cable from MagTame. It's a braided cable with magnet around the body that makes it easy to wrap around and carry along without making things look confusing. Standing up to 48 voltage whilst providing up to 240 watts of charging power, making it reliable for all my devices and ensuring fast charging. It's also capable of transferring data at the speed of up to 20 GB per second, making my workflow on the go a breeze. I also carry the 70-watt charger that comes with my MacBook Pro just in case I need to juice things up if I'm staying out late. And I have actually never used this when I'm out, but I have had to use my power bank from Anker. It has a 5000 mAh battery that has saved me so many times whenever I run out of juice on my phone. Being able to attach this to the back of my phone without having to sit next to a wall whilst using my phone on low battery just makes my life way easier. Consider this an extra 70% of battery life to your phone, so you don't have to worry about charging for a full day. It does make my phone feel hot sometimes though, but I'm willing to take the hit for that extra juice. I have been using the iPhone 15 Pro since launch, and it has been more than just a phone for the most part. Mine comes in natural titanium, which looks really good, but I tend to use a case on it when I go out. Aside from the normal day-to-day use like phone calls, text messages and social media, it also serves as my secondary camera. I use it to film occasionally, and sometimes it is hard to tell the difference from my actual camera. The performance has been great so far after the overheating issue for the first 2 months. I am considering a Pro Max next year though, just because this is starting to feel too small for my hand, and having a bigger battery is probably the best for a Pro iPhone if you want to take advantage of all the Pro features. I recently replaced my AirPod Pro with a budget-friendly alternative. This is Soundpeat and their wireless earbuds, and the sound quality on these are actually fire. It has good bass with clear and balanced sound and fits perfectly to the ear without any feel of fatigue. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth version 5.3 for strong connectivity to my devices. It has a playback time of 7 hours and a 40 hours with the charging case running on a 400 mAh battery. A pretty decent noise cancellation, but with the absence of wireless charging on the case, these are actually one of the best headphones I have ever used, and coming under $30 you can never go wrong with these. Carrying on my cards is the Typecase smart wallet that also holds my cash if I ever need to. It has a smart slide on the side for quick access to all my cards, but recently I've had one of my cards slip off a couple times. My favorite part about this wallet is the AirTag spot that makes it easy for me to find when lost. The design is also compact and clean, making it easy to carry along. So yeah, these are the things that I actually take with me whenever I go to school. I know it looks very minimal, but trust me, this is all I need in my day. If you guys are feeling this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I'll make sure to drop the link to everything in the description down below, so make sure you check it out. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.